Hello everybody, I want to show you with this video how you can insert a SIM card at the Xiaomi 12 Lite. For that you will need next to the phone the SIM ejection tool, and it's part of the box, and in the box you will find another white box on top of it. Here has been the phone in, by the way, and if you turn the white box here you will have here, if you open it, this SIM ejection tool. Just remove the wings like that and you have released it. Otherwise, by the way, you can use also of course the edge of the good old paper clip. Okay, and if you have the phone like this, you will find now down the phone the SIM tray. And the part of the SIM tray is a small hole in there. And now you will need the edge of the SIM ejection tool or the paper clip. So just enter it, press a bit, and the SIM tray will come out. Okay, in that SIM tray you're able to insert two SIM cards, one on the top, and if you want, a second one below. By the way, what is SIM 1 and SIM 2? It is always written here in the middle. Okay, let's start now with the first SIM card. Insert it well, press it a bit. Sometimes you will click noise, that's a good sign. And this is how it should look like then after. So there's a missing corner, and it belongs to the missing corner here. And as you can see, the contacts are on the top. Okay, and if you want, you can add also a second SIM card on the other side. The same thing. Insert it well, press it a bit. As I said, sometimes you click noise, but sometimes not, so press it well. And this is how it should look like then at the end. So also here, missing corner on missing corner. And the contacts are also here on the top. Okay. And if you're ready with it, just put your construction back into the SIM slot. So the SIM 1 is to the display side, so it's on top. Insert it well, close it well. And yeah, that's it. I hope I could help you with this video and answer your question. And maybe if you want, you can leave me a nice comment or give me a thumbs up. That would be very helpful for my videos. Thank you so much for. And I've created also some other videos if you're interested in, with some more tips and tricks and so on. Or you can also subscribe me to don't miss a new video. Thank you so much for your support, and yeah, maybe until next time. Ciao.